Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Wednesday, and today's asana is cat-cow, chakra vakasana. And some of the benefits of this asana is that it helps to increase the blood circulating to the spine. So it helps to increase flexibility of the spine. It also helps to increase flexibility in the shoulders, the neck, and lower back. And it helps to alleviate back pain. It also helps to relieve stress and tension, and it helps to calm the mind as you synchronize the breath with the movement. So let's begin. Come onto all fours, shoulders stacked over the wrist, hips over the knees. The tops of your feet are on the mat. As you inhale, extend your tailbone up towards the sky. Bring your belly down towards the mat. Open your heart towards the top of the mat. Eye gaze looks up. Exhale, lengthen your tailbone down, round your spine. Look down at your navel. Press the floor away with your hands, shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, lengthen the tailbone up. Belly towards the mat. Your heart goes through the gates of your arms. Look up. Exhale, roll your tailbone under, round your spine. Push the floor away with your hands. Shoulders away from your ears. Bring your eye gaze towards your belly. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more like this. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, find a neutral spine. You can also do this with your toes on the mat. If you'd like to get a nice plantar stretch in your foot, you can inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. And that's today's asana. So I hope to see you on the mat. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Namaste.